So, lovely people, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how to enable dark mode in Chrome Android. It's actually pretty easy, so follow the steps I'm gonna show you. You have to go to your Chrome first, of course, and once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three dots on the top right and then go to settings. And in here, you will find the theme. So head over there and here you will find the three options. First one is system default, in light and dark. So if you have dark theme on your mobile, you can just choose system default and it will automatically take the system's dark mode manually or automatically. Or if you want to change it to dark theme permanently, you can just choose dark. So once you enable it, it is done. This is how it is easy to enable dark mode in Chrome. Hope this video helped you out. If eh, Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if it helped you out, please share it with your friends and family. And we'll see you in the next tutorial.